Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a fireplace in Minecraft Pocket Edition. This is one of my model. This was not so pretty cool, but so happy to be learned. Let's start.
Ay, narinig ko nangihiram ng ano. Ganyan yun ang mga unan, no? Ganyan.
This. And put here. Here. Put your bricks here, especially here, to block the fire, and it will not be dangerous right now.
Gandan, anong bumili ka ba ng ano ninyo? Dan?
Yup.
Bumili ka ba ng typewriting? Ikaw, ano typewriting mo bukas? Long ba o short? Ha? Long ba o short?
Long.
Long.
Good.
Bumili ka ng long. Oh.
Start placing this. Place it how high do you want, or how high your house is. No, we can put whole bricks. Please watch all my videos, and every day I will add more videos, and I hope that you will enjoy it all. And this is all. Hope you enjoy. And if you want to add some bricks here, I think it looks more beautiful and attractive to look. And put here. And that's the end of my video. Watch my previous video on how to make a farm and a scarecrow in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Thanks for watching.